Hey, this is Dave Ing. Just a quick video on the 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic. This will be the LX, and I'm looking at doing the trunk latch today. And with the LX, we just have a 2-pin connector here that you pull out. And then there's two 10mm bolts hidden underneath the latch. Also look for a connector right here. There's a metal bar that goes from the keyhole on the outside here to the latch. Yeah, it runs underneath that metal bar. You'll see it. It's attached underneath the latch. So you need to release it there before you take these bolts out. That way the latch can pivot down and pull out. So I use an impact, but you can just use a regular 10mm. Okay, so the latch drops down. Okay, so you'll see you want to twist it out. Here it's connected underneath with a green snap connector, and this already looks like that came out already, but that's attached right there. You just pull that piece out. This connects to the cabin right next to the driver's seat, so you can release the trunk. So you just pull up on this right, and that releases it. So there's the latch, and this is for the LX. They have a bunch of different versions. I'll try to make videos of them all, but it's all a version of this. So I'll see you next time.